Well, I've been with the Stow Company for close to 30 years now, and I've been in a lot of different roles. Started in sales, actually. Currently, I'm the Chief Operating Officer. So, company started in the 80s, so we've been around a while. Doing home organization is our main focus. So, closet organizers, garage organization. We do wall beds, home office, really anything in a residential home. So, our home base is in West Michigan. We have a lot of customer base on the West Coast, and we wanted to get closer to our customers so that we could decrease lead times in shipping. And then we started looking at which states were business friendly. Really started looking at the Boise area and started looking at land availability, and we landed on Nampa. The people in the city of Nampa were very similar to home. So that was important for me because relationships and culture and all that are that's an important part of our business. When I met with them that first time I came out here, I just really had a sense that these are people that we could deal with and work with, and not that everything was going to be easy, but we'd work it out.
The Stow Company was a project that came to us through BVEP. Working with our developer, with Adler, they picked the site that they would like to use, which the property that they chose was a raw piece of land. And so working with our utilities, we knew that we needed to get in water, sewer, power. Working together with all of those partners, how can we get in those needed utilities that have to be out there for Stow to be able to locate on the property with Adler?
I remember standing in a circle with everyone on the site that is now where Stow resides. Being out there, all I could think about was, how do we make this happen? How do we get everyone that's in this circle involved in getting Stow to Nampa?
We had, I remember, several calls with several of our engineers, several of Stow's engineers, really getting into the nitty-gritty of how this project was going to need to flow in order for Stow to hit their timeline. We knew that this was an important project for the city of Nampa. We knew that it was an important project for that specific area of town. And so our engineers just really kind of dug in and really got into the details early on to make sure that we had all of those things figured out, all the T's crossed, all the I's dotted up front.
Even with COVID, even with supply chain issues, they are still on time to be able to open this fall.
From the standpoint of getting all the infrastructure in, there was sewer work, water work, obviously power. All those things had to come together, but I'd say the city has worked with us very well. We're very happy with where we're at. Everything is on schedule. The city's been good to work with as far as getting all of our permitting. So we're very pleased with the entire process.
I mean, this is really going to allow a lot more opportunity out in that area. You know, Adler has really done a great job of making sure that they've kind of paved the way with a lot of these conversations. So I fully expect that in a few years, that area is going to look totally different than it does. And a lot of that is just due to this partnership that was created to make this project happen.